Okay, we have the sawmill almost done now. Got the guard built for it. Just got to make the front, maybe when it warms up a little bit. I've got to finish my winch up here that's gonna let it up and down, and we'll do away with all that stuff on the top. Get my water bottle back up there. I've redone the log beds, bunks as they call them. Made some new log holders. As you can see, I can't do it one-handed. I made 3 of these. And I have made a short place here, just in case we run into doing any wood that's under 5 foot. We can do it here. I still like hooking my engaging rods up and putting the tongue on it, and we're ready to cut wood. Sprockets and the bearing housing came out from under an old go-kart. The shaft come out from under an old go-kart. We'll build a guard to go over the belt. This is some of the cedar that we've already cut with it. It's looking good. It cut real good, smooth. Didn't give any trouble. Just some stuff I wanted to change up on it. I got my gauge on it. I'm hoping to get all this stuff through with. Got to get me a little longer chain. I want to move it on closer down this way to where I can reach it at ease. It's got a 14-foot bed with the bunks. And I'm putting my log dogs back on it. And when I get through with it, it'll be where it will self-load itself. I use the winch right now. I got all the stuff to do hands-free, but I'm not going to do that right now. Not with this one. I'm going to build another one bigger. This one can cut a 28-inch log. I want one that'll cut 36 to 38 inch. But hit the like, subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what you think. Y'all have a blessed day and a Merry Christmas.